are students of the Riau Province Integrated Agriculture State Vocational School. We are from the 12th Agribusiness Plantation Plan class. In this video, we will convey the result of our field work practice activities for approximately 6 months that we have carried out.
Konnichiwa, Haji Memaste. Watashi wa Nur Muhammad Iksan desu. Iksan to yande kudasai. Bengkalis kara kimashita. Pertanian senmong koukou no juni nensei desu. Marpoyani sundeimasu. Dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Konnichiwa, Haji Memaste. Watashi wa Ferdi Andika Fikirambe desu. Ferdi to yonde kudasai. Rokan hulo kara kimashita. Pertanian senmo kokono juni nensei desu. Pandau ni sunde imas. Dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu.
Konnichiwa, Haji Bimaste. Watashi wa Dafarekhan desu. Dafatu yande kudasai. Pekanbaru karakimashita. Pertanian senmon koku no juni nensei desu. Kubang ni sendu imas. Dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu.
Konnichiwa, Haji Mimaste. Watashi wa Roy Mulyadi desu. Roy to yonde kudasai. Pekanbaru kara kimashita. Pertanian senmon koko no juni nensei desu. Marpoyan ni sunde imasu. Dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu.
Castration is the activity of removing all generative products from oil palm plants, starting from male flowers, female flowers to all fruit. This is useful supporting the vegetative growth of oil palm. Castration is an important work before the plant transition from TBM to TM. Oil palm plants begin to produce flowers after the age of 8 to 20 months, depending on the type of plants, age of seedlings, soil classification, and climate and fertilization.
There are 4 types of houseplant that help control pests in oil palm plantation. The first is Antigonon leptopus. This Antigonon leptopus flower is a kind of vine. Breeding is very easy with seeds that are dry and brown in color. We can sow in polybags to get new individual. The second plant is Turnera subulata. Turnera subulata is a plant originating from Mexico and there are 2 types, namely the white tips and the yellow tip. For breeding with stem cutting alone, we can get a new individual. The third plant is Cassia cobanensis. Cassia cobanensis is a quail or pot plant. Has yellow flowers, smooth leaves, and a little hairy. And this fourth plant is Euphorbia heterophylla. Euphorbia heterophylla is a very soft and gummy plant. For reproduction, it is done by isolating the set to get new individual.
With all plants, the grow around cultivated plants was grown under stable and generally detrimental because they can inhibit the growth of palm oil plants, resulting in a disaster in the quality and quantity of the oil production and can become a nest of pest and disaster of palm oil plants. In general, in oil palm plantation, we can be distinguished by types, namely brown-leafed west, narrow-leafed west, and flat west. The wheat growth must be controlled immediately so that does not grow rapidly, as from chemical control.
with control aim to avoid competition between oil palm and waste in the utilization of nutrition, water, and life. Besides, there is also aim to facilitate harvesting, fertilizer activity, and other maintenance activity.
To achieve the main principle in fertilization, namely using the untilan system. Untilan is distributing fertilizer in original packing weighing 40 to 50 kilograms into larger packs weighing 8 to 16 kilograms or according to the specific kilogram. The benefits of fertilization in oil palm plantation are: the first, to complete the supply of nutrients in the soil to meet the needs of plants so that the maximum yield. The second, replace nutrients lost due to wasting and transportation of converted into fresh fruit bunches. The third is the improve soil conditions so that is good for oil palm growth and development. Organic fertilizer have macro and micronutrients that are comparable to inorganic fertilizer when processed properly. Organic fertilizer are a source of soil nutrients that come from plants and animals. The advantages of organic fertilizer include loosening the soil, increasing crop yields, growing larger plants, more environmentally friendly because of the recycling process, reducing the buildup of waste, minimizing gas emissions, protecting plants from certain disease, safe and cheaper and chemical fertilizer.
Fruit coating is the main job in all plum plantation because it is the rich source of the income for the company. Therefore, the main task of the harvester is to take the fruit from the tree and deliver it to the product collection place in the right way and the right time with minimal loss. I've read destination 1. That high product of CPO crude palm oil or KPO kernel palm oil or corn oil per hectare with good quality and the efficient cost per kilogram. 2. Assure the ether harvested fruit in of good quality according to the established criteria. 3. Harvest all fruit and the optimum level of maturity when the fresh fruit bushes contain the hex oil and kernel. Harvest only ripe fruit and the big lost fruit. 4. Send FBFB to factory within 24 hours after harvest. This is intended to reduce the free fatty acid content in palm oil. The free fatty acid content in crude palm oil.